just don't go right, but they might just go astray. And tell me, why do you want to live up that struggle that forbids the light, when everything you get around you now is the natural guide? Yes, I know that the system uses our power to enforce the law. We are all just them prisoners now, and they put us so long, and they waited the tower to watch above us all. But instead of obeying them all, we got a mind, and we gotta burn them with fire, to burn up them lies, burn up corruption, burn up them wise. Fire, cause fire brings peace, fire brings justice, equal things. Fire, to burn up them lies, burn up corruption, burn up them wise. Fire, cause fire brings peace. Follow that good, that's the way. About this society way of life is how long we are meant to last, and how long we controlled. So when I see how much borders and orders they put up to forbid the light, I stand here before you all